CSC Education. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss the topic Bernoulli's equation. What is Bernoulli's equations? Okay, so Bernoulli's equations. Bernoulli's equations are non-linear equations in the differential equations. That means the differential equation is the form. Differential equation is the form of dy by dx p of y equals to q of y to power n. So it is a non-linear differential. This equation is converted to the linear equation, then solved by the linear equation methods. Okay, these equations is converted to the linear equations, linear differential equations, and can be solved it. Okay, so I am just example of these equations. All right. So question is solve dy by dx plus y equals to x of y square. Okay, so now answer is here. The given vector dy by dx plus y equals to x y square. All right. So in this equation, in the right hand side, in that form y to power n. So here y to power 2. So divided y to power 2 both sides. So value is 1 by y square dy by dx plus y divided by y square equals to x. Okay. So another part is here, suppose divided by x, here divided by x, so here divided by x. Sorry, that is the paper. Now the factor is y to power minus 2 dy by dx 1 by plus 1 by x of y equals to x. So here it converted to the put now 1 by y equals to t is a function of y part here dy by dx here. So here d by dx both sides. The factor is here y to power minus 2 of dy by dx equals to dt by dx. Okay. Now convert this factor in this part. So your result is dt by dx plus here value is 1 by y here t, so value is t by x equals to x. It is a linear differential equations. So this factor in the linear differential equation, so d by dx form, so here integrating factor is e to power 1 by x dx of integrations. Okay, alright. Now the value is e to power ln x of dx. Okay, so e to power ln x, the factor, now putting this factor in this given here is x, sorry dx, here x, so t by dx of t of x equals to x into x now. Okay, alright. Now this value implies that d of t of x equals to x square dx. Now in the integration of both sides, t of x equals to integrations of x square dx. Alright. Now derivative of this part, value is here t of x equals to x cube by 3 plus c. So value is t equals to x is in the left hand side, value is divided, so value is x square by 3 plus c by x, or t equals to here 1 by y or x square by 3 plus c by x. That is the solutions of the Bernoulli's equation. Today I am discuss the topic Bernoulli's equations and on examples. Okay. Previous class I will discuss the one linear differential equation. Today discuss Bernoulli's equation, that is the non-linear differential equations. So subscribe my channel and like it and share and comments me. So I am next video try to best level of my subs. Okay, thank you.